Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 8:54 a.m. Central Standard Time in the United States on November 18th. I have a feeling the Matrix is failing. We're at windy.com, and I want to show you guys some stuff that is just extremely odd. I've shown you guys some really weird stuff, but now it gets even. And let me show you here. So when we watch up here, we see Spain. See all this weird stuff, but what is that? Did you guys see that? Oh, wait a minute. Squares. Do you see that? So let's watch Saudi Arabia again. It just kind of bloop. Does this again. We'll check India out in a minute, but look at that. It just kind of pops up and then it disappears. Then it goes to these little, almost like wheels. But let's come look at India again. This just shows up, goes down, shows up, goes down, up, down, in a square. We got squares. Look at these grids. Look at this. What is that? It looks like an LED light, like from a cheap flashlight, a cheap LED flashlight. I mean, you see that square, and then you got a line. This shows up. Look at the grids. What is going on? You want to see another weird one? Let me show you. And here we are, right over Cuba, Havana, Cuba. Look at this. What the heck is this? Almost looks like some kind of a funky star, doesn't it? But look at that. It's even got lines. I mean, okay, Doppler radar, maybe. But there's Dopplers all around here. And they don't do this. Why is this one doing this? What's going on here in Havana, Cuba, right where it's centered? Why is that doing that? It's centered right here at Havana. Look at that. What in the world is that? I zoomed in closer. Look at this. Look at the grid. It's a grid line. Do you see the grids? The grids are even showing up here. And then you can see the light. What is going on here? I mean, we can see this up here, and then these grids, and then that. What is that? Look over here in Thailand. Thailand's got one going on too. Almost looks like a tie-dye shirt. Kind of like that pops up in the center of a tie-dye shirt right over here in Thailand. You got these funky lines here. All these grids. Is there really a matrix? And it's just shutting down? I mean, that's a square. That's a straight line. This one doesn't move. I mean, look. What is it? I'm gonna try and hit pause on this here when it gets bright over here in India. Let's see what we're looking at here. That's so weird. Almost looks like this looks just like an LED light. The little square diode that's in the center of an LED light, like a flashlight. Look at this. Zoom in on this a little bit more. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. A perfectly straight line, and then another one, and then all this. And what's with the grid? And you can see the swirls in this one too. Some strange happening. Lucy, you got some splaining to do. I moved over, and this is over here at Saudi Arabia at the same time. Almost looks like an eye, doesn't it? I see you. And now we're going to go to our PM 2.5. Here we are in the border of Pakistan and India. This whole area being red. Look down here. It's over 100. This is particulates over 170 centimeters cubed. Now, 10 is supposed to increase your risk of cancer like 30-some%. So what is this going to do? I mean, look at how bad it is now over here. Come on. I'll bring you little fun buns over here. Come on. Let's see if I can get it here. Like 128. This is over in China. So yeah, China. I mean, pretty much all of Asia, just about. I mean, you got it down here, all over here in India. Let's check out the U.S. And here we are once again, British Columbia, Canada. He's got this, whatever it is going on over here, 201, all around North and British Columbia, Canada, even into Washington State, Idaho, Montana. Now those are yellow. Those are going to be between 20 and 100. So probably right in here around, I don't know, say 70. California, lots of stuff going on over here in California as well. And then over here in Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi area, the entire, basically everything that's in front of this front where the thunderstorms are. I mean, look at this. You can see it's raining. So it's raining PM 2.5? That don't make no sense, does it? Oh boy, here we go. Here we are at earthquakes and volcanodiscovery.com, and we can see everything going off. Let's just turn the ones off that say unrest. So we will go to warning, minor activity, and eruptions. Look at all this, folks. Look at all these earthquakes. Look at this over here. Williamsville, Missouri, 4.0. Uh-oh. 12 hours ago near Pryor Creek, Oklahoma. That's not far from me at all. 6.2. East New Britain province of Papua New Guinea. How are you doing? That's from the United States Geological Service. That's actually pretty big, which means it would honestly, if it's from the USGS, excuse me, that means they downgraded it from probably a 7.0 to a 6.2. Let's be honest. USBS has been doing that for quite a while, or USGS, excuse me, has been doing that for the last 6 months. Lots of crazy stuff going on here, folks. Lots of stuff. And here we are at seeds. I want everybody to kind of pay attention over here. You're actually going to see almost like our sun is either pushing off or giving birth to either a planet or a second star. Did you see it already? There it is. Watch this. Next. We'll keep going. Oh, see it? It's right here. It's pushing off. Watch. Oh, see how round it is? Look at that. How you doing, bud? Oh yeah, pushing off. What is that? What is that? I don't know. You're to me. So that, look at that. It's not deniable. Can't deny something ain't there. Something's definitely there. Once again, look at it. Watch it going off. There we go. We reset. We'll take another look at it later on this evening. But there's something else I find interesting too. There's a little something that I missed yesterday, folks. I apologize. We can obviously clearly see this one here, right? Very obvious. But here's another one. What is that? That one's lit up. This one's just in the darker section of it, and that one's lit right up. How many are there? I don't know. Now, something else. I wasn't quite far enough advanced to really take a peek and gander. See, look, now you can really see this one. See, the other one we're looking at is right there. Now this one's right here. But we have a really good view of some friends. See right up here? Oh, look. 3 lights triangle. But that's not the one I want to show y'all. It's this guy. Hey. Hey there, little buddy. Look at that. It's my little bird. My little Klingon warbird of prey, if you will. Look at that. Head, tail, or tail and wings, excuse me, and his little fla la 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 la. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. It just makes sense to me. I just do and say things that make sense, and hopefully most people can relate to it. So yeah. Now you can still see him right here. You can still see that one as it continues to push off. Fun times. But let's check something else out, shall we? Here we're over here at Sechi, and unfortunately it's a few days behind for collecting the data and analyzing it. But I want you guys to pay attention to something. Watch this. This is first frame from the 15th. What is this? What is this? And you see how it's like round? like cup shaped, like almost like it's going around or something is shooting at the sun. What is that ray of light? Well, there it still is. What is that? I don't know. Oh, what is this? It's being pushed off. Wait a minute here. You guys see this line right here? And almost like there's one here, but watch it. This line doesn't really move. You can see it's right here. It just kind of stays put. And then it's off screen. What was that? Almost like a, what do you call it? A cigar shaped? Now look at this. See these lights here? This gets interesting. Still there, but not here. Why? Why? Look at this. See this guy here? You see here, but again, this supposedly being Mercury, they always gray it out. What would be the point of that? I don't know. Your tummy. Now, we've also got another nice little pic. Oh, there he is. There he is. Let me back up one. Boop. There he is right there. See him? Right next to the disc. Coming right off. Or coming out. Or however you want to look at it. Getting pushed away. See? There he is right there. Getting bigger. What's going on up there, peoples? Can y'all tell me? Oh, beautimous. Look at all of them. It's like she's giving birth. Look at all of them come out. What is happening over there? Uh-oh, what? Another ray of light. Just shooting at the sun. Why? What does that mean? What's the significance of that? What is that doing that? Now, is this what's going on? I don't get it, folks. Does anybody else get it? I don't get it. Oh, there it is again. Could this be part of that light bending technology that we're just now happening to capture? I don't know. Here we are over at Space Weather Prediction Center, and as you can see here, look at this. What shape does that look like? Triangle. Almost like it's shaped like some form of craft or something, doesn't it? That's odd and interesting to say the least. So let's come over here and check out with our Annunaki god ENLIL. Oh, smooth sailing, right? Smooth sailing. What? That don't look like smooth sailing to me. This is our velocity, 500, okay, but whatever. Thank you, Annunaki god ENLIL, appreciate you. Sumerian god, whatever. Our sunspots are obviously way up. I think we should go check the Schumann. Does anybody want to check the Schumann before we go? Let's check the Schumann. Good thing is, our flare level is way down. Here we are at Disclosure News, checking out our Schumann resonance today. Looks like we had a couple little spikes here. That's interesting. Well, I wonder what the Italian model looks like. Here's our electromagnetic field. Right here you can see there's a little bit of activity. Looks like they're starting to tighten the lines up, because you can see there's some red down here. So let's go actually check the Schumann itself. One down. Here we go. Oh, we got a little bit of activity, but the lines are also a little more compressed. Looks like they're getting a little smarter with it. Because here, you can see not so much. Look what we went through. This is really compressed. This one's the most obvious, and it cracks me up. So we were basically like, this here was all of this. They just compressed it. We were getting blasted. They must have been firing up CERN again, like they continuously do. I mean, goodness gracious. It's also affecting this in the geophone. So yeah, I think we might actually have a somewhat calm day today. But we shall see. The day ain't over yet. Stay safe, folks. Love ya.